SIKA KORABEA. It's another beautiful evening. Mamu Akwaba, where is SIKA KORABEA and some on ADOM TV Live on Multi TV with the CEO himself, Edwin, and old with the DADZIE. That's it. Today we are going to do a lot. We are going to celebrate 40 years of excellence, 40 years in banking, 40 years in good delivering of financial solutions to people, and they're flexible. So. And in the eastern part of the country, no more Akuapem Rural Bank. Our Madiju, our Matanase, I hear Juma 40 years, and Yafediago. So in fear, the Anay or my Juma no more 7 saying, and ye call lunch and I call lunch, pa, near Chantuma, near raise the flag, and I say, now, ye two champagne, my Denya Mia Sehunitampa. 40 years in existence hasn't been easy, but yes, still, there are a lot of things to come. And see, and idea, Yakasa, we are ever got 20 about. Me kwa lunch with Akuapem Rural Bank. Said yakosi ada woni no na match bank papa said you there kosi there. You know where was kaka sa wo peska kaka. So the best place to go or the best place to tune in to watch is ADOM TV when say exactly 7 o'clock is my time to come your way. What SIKA KORABEA na match over here SIKA dey. I know what you medical can you got one there my buy better medicines but don't forget Faith Homeopathic Clinic is necessary a yare ni CTBA no fabra no behwa ma ho eto wati nchinchina ya bra duru o ha de kanwa ahode ni betimi asan ba bio so of my faith bia bia obi a nyame sha unfortunately happy Mother's Day time no me ntimi an show Mother's Day ba facha me pa home Faith Homeopathic Clinic cause say the CTBA bra alpha publication anything printable bra obe print am so no alpha series or social studies mathematics science english ni na ho school bia beti to akwaji bi no dia che nye ma dia ma brofo de okwa o mo kan kama GB one adaro mo so se bra no more dance or board dance wa say the city bia wo da obeda anyway so Alaska Enterprise will come and say or say faster blind curtains was the curtain blind so ni na obetimi am be different colors bia the open bia far wallpapers pan so the whole Ghana Alaska betimi am be to America na call na kokwaji bi na FSC dem wo office na say baby bia say the city bia na say fofofo enipa go so kra o mo pe bia to na ye betun so o mo de kwa kra o mo de call boss baby bia o mo de be call etimi am wetimi nya so mfa so enko to de ma be to de but don't forget that the name we happy to find ourselves. Akuapem Rural Bank omadi in fear the 9 40 years. You got 20 by better Medina. So Medina the Edwin and old with the DADZIE. That is still the CEO of the BRB Fine.
Welcome to Alpha and Omega Publications. You are assured of quality services on graphic designs, book publication, and general printing. Our services range from filmmaking of all sizes, textbook publications, including Alpha and Omega series from crèche to JHS. We also undertake services in branding and packaging of books, calendars, book binding, posters and invoices, t-shirt and cloth printing, flyers and all general printing. We are located at Asafo, Labour Runabout. For further enquiries, call 03220 407 93 or 0273 601 207.
Ofi. Hey, let's say. Boko, who bet you SIKA? Thank you. Yo. Bye. Hey, me no. Shana munya mami why? Okay.
Akosia. Enemrem oda susu.
Sister, nya botar Akosia. Ahi nyina na ye wo krom ha dey. Na sister owusu a susu fo ben wo beje ni sika wode kwai Akosia don wa retwa susu wo krom ha.
Amemfima asem na mo beken. Hey, amemfima de omo ntisa o.
Sa na omo nyina tie.
Bi sister. Hwe, amemfima Rural Bank na mama ye de mi ye. Hey, me start ye kete hwe and then me shop matre ama enkrofo mpo betu ekoton. Amemfima ya da room a o.
Wo se amemfima na ma wo sika.
Amemfima Rural Bank asem na making.
Inti amemfima mi hia loan na mutwa susu na mi hia loan na wodiba mama. Dema.
Amemfima Rural Bank. We bia obeko bia omo wo ho.
Sasa na tie dia na nyina ye beko wo bi.
Look no further. Choose Akuapem Rural Bank. Your success, our pride. You can face homeopathic clinic, you share your crown chronic diseases. And some are what by your home, you do chef idiom, no fidian as training the pedriano, not at just how when the one the pedrianum, your chest will be a 1 year stroke, arthritis problem. Who the pebby won't go to German house, and answer who the pebby was sciatic problem. So pebby born in a bee when your name yare. Ama wo ba ma no ho kra nya akono wo hu nipa bi ewo eni wo haw ya ka che se wo de ne agrokoma se wo hu nipa bi aware a che awo ne mma na wo sign faith homeopathic fo wo de a na minim ba bi kra wo be ko bi be se ya fidie ni mu bi na afidie no ehu haw me aba ni padie ni na enche enupa ye mfama kumase ahema kokobe akra ye wo so wutom Ebenezer Junction Western Region Bogoso Boga abonsanim to Gideana mo ebla na faith homeopathic phone rodie eye stronko faith homeopathic clinic help our parents.
SIKA KORABEA. Welcome back. Where is SIKA KORABEA and someone ADOM TV live on Multi TV? Because here then you may say is the time that I come your way to direct you to the best place to do investment, the best place to get a loan facility, and the best place to save money. And don't you friend is SIKA KORABEA. Medical catch us on SIKA KORABEA we project our own. We project our own. Your tone ye the don't you know when you're baby just say was your station. So ADOM TV so near to me Churchill. Baby I bet me nyam for so there. Near boy me na brabo to me there. Akoso. And medical catch us before the commercial break. Me can say ye call Akuapem Rural Bank. 40 years in existence. What my year juma papa. And ye call said their lunch in this year day. Yes, as you know, na many board chairman or board chairman they send me to the equity the board of directors and as a board chairman or the to your better also.
Yeah, your family Jackie Amwako family. Me a chairman of the Akuapem Rural Bank. And now 40th anniversary. And Nijian penchifo titulu for omote bank ni na aba Mr. Sedumante aba Mr. Manukre Jesse aba Mr. Osuamu aba ni ade kofu pi ni nyina gina bank ni hise pa ye de ato fam ye sika sam ye bibia chese na mu ne ese Akuapem fuma na ewo ha akwantum ni ade nyina no mu nyina mbra na mbeto shares na ye increase your share capital and we are pleading to them with them to do all these things for us because they say Bank of Ghana we don't know when ABR next 5 years or next 2 years they can say they are increasing the share capital to about 5 million 10 million. So we are pleading to all the members of the community, members in Ghana, home and abroad, to purchase shares in the Akuapem Rural Bank because it's a very good bank. It's a safe place to put your money. I mean, we are not the banks that collapse. No, we are not. We've been winning awards and other things. So this is my plea to them at the 40th anniversary. And I'm so glad and privileged that I've also taken this mantle. And we'll see to pray to God to guide us and then increase our resources so that we'll be, in the next 40 years now, we have better stories to tell.
A brand board chairman didn't some to Javiano. Na board of directors and so more bonnet Chidomamu Macasano. No more than send me to the equity the board of directors and almost so kind.
Or from me, Dr. Ernesto Bisadako. We are board member of Akuapem Rural Bank. Akuapem Rural Bank, a banker, Yatoya Boise, a share young customers ye. It is a Jumedibia, or Napese Boa, Obabe Kayan home, na Yesho, na near Ihiano, Yade Atoto, Yawo Ho, and Fee Adrianine, na Bright and Fee Adrianine. Ana yaresre se obiara oye Akuapini a opese auto shares ewo bank no no omra no meto shares na bank no bo modern bebre a obeto shares na yedusi kan beye adwuma ama wanya ho mfaso bebre yedamase
Medende William Ejechumesi, a board member of Akuapem Rural Bank and chairman of Human Resource Subcommittee. Manage say ene me kan bank no ho na yeboa na bank na kwa nimu. Bank no me join bank no 2015. In 2016 the bank no join bank in the whole country no the best bank. Them they say me a part of it. Na Akuapem Rural Bank economy. Me can say yeah board members na I could do sa. Nemo one would kind ehye obodi bank no odi kan ye bank no boy no bon abaso se won ba ya de pa cause bank no nya kwanim pa ene bank no di mfie aduanan 40 years you can say 40 years I create 40 years back 1980 no na mo secondary school form 3 na me wo minim da po se me be do a me ba po ba ke board member na me so ma be play a role for this success of the bank na me catch ubia say omra medwane omra omfa no ho be she dom bank mu ometo shares na ombe part of the bank
me di Emmanuel ni awuku sisia me a board member or bank now before then no me joining bank no in the year 2000 say Ejumayeni as a deputy manager a train na me be manager. In 2014, me retire no na me general manager. Me da nyame asepi sɛnea wahwɛ yɛn bank yi so abedu pempen so a yɛdu 40 years enye ade ketewa yɛtumi yɛ adwuma yɛ kɔsoro na yɛ bad down yɛ kɔsoro na yɛ asan na nyame ayɛ adom sisi a yɛ pagya yɛ bompa sɛ nyame bɛsom yɛn na adwuma na atumpun na the next time you be another anniversary no na bank no atumpun akɔ anim sɛnea ɛtina medase
Ebe ne board of directors ye didn't come away ni ahwɛ sɛ dia nneɛma ɔmo adwempa ɔmo de ato ama bank no afei na ye kom ne ye kɔ ye ne akɔhwɛ sɛ dia lunch ne mu nsɛm sitie no ye kɔ ye no na ɔpanyin ba akɔ a wɔyɛ former governor of Bank of Ghana enye small genius apost no wo have vice president a wadi bi pen na dinti e kyɛw sɛ adwuma ne timi yakɔ so ye pa na ɔpanyin ɛse edumante ɔno nso so wɔ hɔ me pɛna sɛm ye pa ɔno nso de nsɛm bi tu da yɛn kotie de ɔno nso kan ya ba ɛbɛto aso
ofre mesi edumante Akuapem Rural Bank we kan wonga efiase no ho na nipa bi ti sɛ Mrs. Nikwe Mr. Kumi Mr. Jesse na Ukuloko the then member of parliament Mr. Kwesi Koto kan nyina bom hwehwɛ chikwan no kan bom na efisa bank na ase na ye adwuma yie ma bank ni nyina so pepepe ya ye adwuma besi 40 years ni ye di 40 years anniversary nipa bebre afa bank no wonga ye managers wonga ye accountants na wonga ye cashiers ni ade ama adwuma aba Akuapem boiso bank no so anya din papa ma eka banks a aye adwuma fefefe wo bank no Ghana no nti ya ho ade kesi say na we already 40 years anniversary na kanfo wonga o sacrifice ma banks no be do for ko edu nyina
Ogoso hwe SIKA KORABEA nsamo na ADOM TV yankoto ade mra ba ebeto adwumadin so ma remfi se wokɔ nso na ade menti akese pa ama drivers amekoto mu Akuapem Rural Bank Daniel nyamisha oye pa wate nyamisha oye pa oni Charles nyamisha oye pa Daniel nyamisha oye pa mani so de oye ma me no wo bre nyina nyamisha oye pa yankoto ade mra ba ebeto adwumadin so medin the Edwin and alt with the DADZIE still the CEO of BBR be fine
Boga we need problem me say hadan nyina me na boss
hadan nyina una boss won no fe
ma bo bi ma me dan so am wa dawu
wow really
ni nyinu ngu anti area ha nyina
hadan nyina wa na boss
yes
won no fe ene e we de ma twufu amala tonkwam
we need problem we need problem
o say ona bo de so
me si me ni area ha nyina
Who ya zaon ka be twene di
won na se wo board dan wa ha nyina so
wait botom ni
so say adwuma pa
awon fe
boga mo so mo ba ya mo so mo ni so nya hyehyehye nya se de bi o matwemodi me si me dan GB1 for the boss mama GB1 eye company papa pa mo bodan so me sere ko GB1 sans o mo tem o mo IBR o mo alo zinc yo mo sade batum ko emboss
chop boss eno so ni the emboss
yes say agro ne form feeling gadoti for ni ko hwe
me pa cho mama nkofu bi abo me dan so ama me na dan no nsuo to enwunu se dem de kente ko nsuo no
eno kra de ye obi se stand pa problem
sister kafre don che
GB1 for re-roof your taste Money ya boss na saya. Omo poso nyina no masai ne foforo at affordable price.
Enti wo mutimi ma color blocking se bia chance na dan color bia pa bia.
GB1 for form chameleons because color bia opa owo be na suo dan so.
Me patcho location wo fine.
Hey, ofin so akom. Obo komo sambo si wo bam.
Ya se bai ma e be sia wa.
Wa gani ya wo so money so nya serate. Wo go konya se GB1.
Obehu GB1 Industries wa koma e ben custom barrier wo fin so kwan so.
You can face homeopathic clinic ya hwe yare kwan kro me kire chronic diseases. An sama wo beba ye ho no ye de wo hye fidie na fidie no a strain ni padua no na a kire se how we ne woni padua nim ye hwe se wo bi a wonye stroke arthritis problem wo hu ni pabi won kotodwa mu haw ana se wo hu ni pabi wo sciatic problem se wo pabi bone na ebie wonya nam yare amma wo be ma no ho kra nya akono wo hu nipa bi ewo eni ho haw ya klecho se wo de ne agrokoma se wo hu nipa bi aware ache awo ne mma na wo sign faith homeopathic fo ho de a na minim baby kura wo be ko bi be se ya fidie ni mu bi na afidie no ehu haw na abani padie ni na enche enupa ye mfama kuma se ahema kokobe akra ye wo so wutuom Ebenezer Junction Western Region Bogoso Boga abonsanim to Gideana mo ebra na faith homeopathic phone rodie eyesonko faith homeopathic clinic.
Welcome to Alpha and Omega Publications. You are assured of quality services on graphic designs, book publication, and general printing. Our services range from filmmaking of all sizes, textbook publications, including Alpha and Omega series from crèche to JHS. We also undertake services in branding and packaging of books, calendars, book binding, posters and invoices, t-shirt and cloth printing, flyers and all general printing. We are located at Asafo, Labour Runabout. For further enquiries, call 03220 407 93 or 0273 601 207.
SIKA KORABEA. Abusa masam Akuapem anse ekoto ade ne medical catch say ne ye 40 years of good work, 40 years in good banking, 40 years of excellence. I wo SIKA KORABEA my friend Akuapem Rural Bank. Na ye ne board of directors ne di nkomo wie ye board chairman kan ne na board of directors no say dey nsem be there to dwa wie ye ne ye hu say former governor ono so dey nsem be to dwa na nasem be o kan ye kwa na me dey no say ever since we free office, no monitor bank na obusa Apex, no obusa Bank of Ghana. Everybody is saying say Akuapem Rural Bank is still on track, working very well to serve their customers. Unyani baby, I just say Akuapem Rural Bank. No wonder. So many 40 years, you need 40 years in fancy, 40 years papa be about TV. So what did they mention? I say, I don't think SIKA KORABEA say DM fear the announce here. No, I see 2 American you could dia dance here. Near Chiomoba many penny and say this is the only leading rural bank in Ghana. I bet him don't want to swap on bet me a boy baby BM. The MD require pensioners, almost bet me and your sofa so. Now, I feel yet was on. Not the former directors and so former directors back here, Reverend Amishada is on the GRA. Now I said they are penning him the any city, no CDR, or said that bank Yanuam. No wonder, no any former directors and so should be the income. You didn't continue almost kind. A best semi no me in inquiry bar, Yabato.
Well, from Ernestina AC, we are former director of Akuapem Rural Bank. The bank, if you are in the early 80s, first directors of the bank, no name Boawong. Teaching Sabrina yan sana me so mefiase wo bank mu enti no staff say you train one ya de na me boa mo ye enne eye manager bebre say en yan bank e 40 years na nipa na ye fiase kire wan de Sabrina no woda so wo mu na wo ye managers eno chi me be ye director wo bank abra Bank of Ghana yi ye be good so me no me ye bank na djuma as a director in fidumie that is 12 years. Na yambris ni ehu se nyema resesa wo banking sector no enti no corporate governance ho hia enti policies on risk management nya de ho hia na ne nyina enne ye hwe ba bia bank na bedura na ye ahoho ase yetumi tu sa na mon no na ye bold na ye sa ne ma ne nyina na ebeye sa na mfi directors nkuto staff no bo won ho modern young customers they've been very loyal. Young shareholders have been committed. As I say, what you see, what you, but be a year could be our tie young achi. na bank no so esan se yen so ye dwen baby a yete ne nia ehia won hu nti wo hwe yen products no po a wo ya sorry a ye ya sorry nkoso wo ye small saver ye ma wo sika big time borrowers ye big time loans so sa na ye small time loans nti no wo hwe yen products na ekusika ekọ for susufo ne ade efe women in bank small time traders ni ade once you want one product you de boa won
of me amisha dai owusu amwa na me former vice board chair of Akuapem Rural Bank na ye yina gina bank nachi enedai to safren say meboa na bank ye di 40 years na ye bompa ye say bank na bekoso akonanimu na ye be say yi sa me hye nkura so say Ghana for my ninja rural banks no ho na ye mfa ye ho hyemu na ye invest ye sika nso ewo mu efe nso say ye ma ye san hwe say kwa betuma fa so na ma rural banks ye timi a listing on stock exchange e mu se betumi de some ye hyemu na ye timi ama won kwan na ama so na we invest wo ha watumi anya ho mfaso se na ye nya wo stock exchange no beboa ama rural banks no atumi atumpon
o frame Emma Cordelia Usu Amon na Akuapem Rural Bank aye adwuma wo ha no ma aboa won say director and the former chairman yes so bank numu aboa won ama won atumpon fi say wo sha ase aba be 6 amri ene day we read the 140th anniversary eye nyina ya ba be bom e wa ha se ya ba be boa won na adwumedi kese ete se won aye na ye de ahye bank no enunyam ye de ahye irade enunyam ye de ahye won a wo so bank yi mu fifiti ase impo ebesi samri ye de ahye won nyina enunyam nia me pese me ne Akuapem fo nyina eche ene bank fo yi nyina eche ne stakeholders e wo bank ni mu nyina eche ne se ye ma ye ni nku ye Akuapem Rural Bank ni hu ye mo awon na adwumedi a esi won ani so a wore ye no won atumi aye ama bank no akọ anim na etumpon na me de mrante ne maba a wo adwuma num no so ne se wo ma won ani nku adwuma pa ho ye na won yi won ho no nya adwuma den woni no kware won fa no kware enche won adwuma num na nya wo ye nyina no so won hu se eye Ewrade na ye won adom na wo gina bia yete sa na wontumi enye adwuma no na enkoso na bank no enko nanim na mu ayen Akuapem man yi emu a oman Ghana nyina ye nyina yetumi akoso etumpon ama ye men akọ animu pompa ye sere nso se dodo na I want stakeholders won so won fa won sika emehye bank yi mu
acho mi Frederick ni akwe pato former director kan Akuapem Rural Bank mene gbine ma basrami o baba yi afi nyuma ejwe ni bank ye the bank les eji gbewulu kalo gbejron wulu kan wo fe no won pagba ke game ke Akuapem me ni yo hey sort ele amo ameka me skabeba fun Akuapem Rural Bank niji skato he wulu de ame branch alo ame gbene ko meye Madina no keje ganyojibu ni ota iku papa noko osikaya ka osika aya Akuapem Rural Bank na abakwe no jugba ahambu wa mu fe wa mu ni ota wo abafi abahambu.
Enwetino, the general manager of the bank, Kingsley Che, another respectable and humble man, you have known him for a very long time. Or any general manager said in send me to that. You could see you also kind.
Your friend me, Che Kingsley, many general manager of Akuapem Rural Bank. And then launching of your 40th anniversary. That will be asked to say what you are saying for the past 40 years. I'm a bank here doing purpose way. Now Abrabomu you say 40 life begins at 40. Na Akuapem Rural Bank there. Your life no shall say and 40 years need. So abri ni person e kire general public, the general public and they say bank no I want to say I hope you bebre, I will be aba ye benya ono so ne de ama no. Nti e be sure say obi ade no wa be don yen na ya bo ama na setena mo atumpon. Especially ye dedicate your 40 years anniversary no to your pensioners. Our master you are saying for the past 40 years still our so you are saying my adwuma dia ye dia ekoso. Na sa lunch ni so ye lunch ya one day event. Ye lunch ya kosi time e be clamas occasion. Ti e be so bia be boy chidom. Na ya anniversary na mana be kra be so. Ye damasi.
Eno nso achi no na the traditional council no so ho wo hene pon ba ko tutu na na mo kane na na wo so hene kan brofo but na dia henfo no we brofo ye pa ye ko ye wo hene no no na san ye chairman no so o de nsem bituda ye nkoti di ono so kan ye ba beto aso
o frame nana safro okwampa am to so miensa me ye o hene wo Akuapem apredi ye one of the amanten dun son no apredi ka hom na sanse me ye o hene wo Akuapem na bank yi e wo Akuapem ti no me gidi se me so me wo chefa wo me san so ye customer enti ne e ba se ene ye launch 40 years anniversary no on to nsa frame me se me metena ponti ya ba betena ponti ye de ye kra ni ye nimdie kakra ye wo no e de tawon achi se be ya ade o ma launch o mo betimi agina so e de anya customers bebre na fe ade bi o mo be no so no aboa ama adwumayefo no so no omo anya kokuduro ene opepa de ayadwuma na bank no etumpon a na ye nsusu a ye ne won adi kasubom no ye nsusu yanya bibia omo ye ho faso
eye Association of Rural Banks 145 na Ghana nya no na executive director ho o ante comfort so de nsem bituda ye nkoti di ono so kan ye ba ye beto aso
ye frame me comfort Owusu executive director Association of Rural Banks Ghana aha mi gine kropon di enti na mi gina hanom Akuapem Rural Bank di enfie por aduanan ye free bank yase enfie aduanan ni Akuapem Rural Bank eye banka etoso nwotwe a ye establish wo Ghana ha ye wo bank mako aha ne aduanan nan je so mufri ase ache se ye ka Eastern region so a ye wo rural banks aduonu nan na Akuapem Rural Bank eye bank etoso miensa ye bia no wo Akuapem man mu na bank etumi agina ne nanso edi enfie aduanan de na kire se ogina honum yie ye kan ye wakuku dama e free se bank yase e biti se opening ese edu mante no ye deputy governor of Bank of Ghana e ka hu bi Mrs Gloria Nikoi Mrs Florence Hatchford kuku dam bebre na se ye kan so a Akuapem Rural Bank ye rural bank bia e wo mpanimfo ade da no a wo ye nimdifo a wokuta bank ni mu na djuma a wodi wo bank ni mu nso no e bro so bank ne tumpon paye bank ne ye banka age abodin bebre se ye ka staff ye adwuma wo honso a animdifo ankasa enti se wo pe baby de usika akwakoto a Akuapem Rural Bank fa usika akwato Akuapem Rural Bank na benya ho mfaso
so wate we SIKA KORABEA ansam this is the only program etimi chow baby a yan kase ye die mom betimi ya den aboa ene ekopie the eastern part of the country when we made a visit to Akuapem Rural Bank. God really bless you so nya abrɛ SIKA KORABEA ansam ma me na me crew na say George Forjo do na friend Magma sa so na Kobe your ho Wycliffe or back in the make up nyame show bibia when you say a prayer don't forget to say one for me. Yes, stay out from trouble. Why? Next year, show who you na and Yamir so my feelings on something could do as some Jim. They be what me. I have SIKA KORABEA me at show baby. Obey me and your emphasis. I'm on property saying me did the Edwin Arnold with the DADZIE Dadzi. Name of so SIKA bear fine. I mean, they bear fine tea. I still call myself the CEO of BBR Bear Fine. SIKA KORABEA.